try all the different drinks that I decided to buy at the International Food Market. Strawberry coconut milk. I gave it a 7.3. It's a good consistency. It's not weird. They're like small enough. I like it. Picasso. Okay, so now we have this, what I think is a cola. It's sugar of the cane. So it's a sugar cane. It's a sugar cane? I'm going to love this one.
Hang in there.
It's right there. Do you see it? I can't get it. That makes me so angry because I can do it.
Loosen it up with the other one.
2.7. Not what I thought it was gonna taste like, but that's okay. No, thank you. All right, next up, Hugo. All right, I gave it a 6.7. This one is so cute. It is peach oolong tea, which is probably one of my favorite things to drink ever. It doesn't. Seven, 4, or over like shaved ice as is.
Yeah.
Like make it a snowball. Next up, we have a Tok Tok melon juice. It's a 4.3 for me. All right. Maracuya. Okay.
We have to do this one.
Did we say numbers? Did I say a number?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I forgot. Okay. Yeah.
5.
Fart, so. Farted it. Okay, this one tasted like fart.
I gave this one a hard fart.
Okay, lastly, we have the alcoholic one. This is peach from Korea. I gave it a 1. I gave the tequila shake, so I'm good.